Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. These are called men's barefoot shoes. So let's open these up. Where's my knife? The plastic they use on it is super thick. Usually you get the plastic that's like super thin. Okay. And this one here, I got size 40, and I usually wear like a size 8, 8.5 or something like that. So it might be a little big on me on this one here. We'll see. So this is what it looks like there. So you can see it's made for a wide toe. Somebody who has a wide toe should be real comfortable for that. And it should be, I don't know, it feels like it's got some padding in it, so that's nice. And it's got the little VNANV logo in there, and just says minimalist style, leisure style walking shoe. Okay, so I'm gonna try this on. Actually, I'm gonna aim you guys down here in the corner, and I will go sit over there and try it on here. So here we are in the corner. Let's see if I can squeeze my foot into it. And there we go. Let's see. So it's got totally a whole lot of room up here, I guess, because it's made for wide feet and stuff. But oh, it feels really good. It does have padding in it. I thought maybe with it being saying it was a barefoot one, it wouldn't have any padding, but it definitely has padding in there. So you're not barefoot. And it's got a lot of padding in the back too by the heel, which I kind of like. It's soft back there. So you're not going to get any blisters in the back, that's for sure. And here, I was going to say it feels weird, but because its tongue's not straight. Okay, so there we go. So this is what it looks like here. I'll stand right here so you can see. Comfortable. Good, nice walking shoes. They would be really good to just go for a walk and be comfortable. Not sure on the fashion side if they're the most fashionable. Who knows? I'm colorblind, so I don't even know what color they are. But they feel really nice. And let me just walk around here. They got a little bit of padding to it. I'm not going to say they're like super padding. It's not going to make me an inch taller or anything. But they're nice. I'll show you. Let's see if this comes out. Yeah. Here you can kind of see. This is what it looks like on the padding. And then you've got to see with a little bit more padding. And then the rubber sole. So seems good. These would be great little beach shoes or something like that, just to wear around, take on vacation, and be super comfortable. So these are nice. I'm gonna say I like them. So really comfortable. So really good. Thumbs up.